Okay, good morning, children.
Children,
All of you.
all of you.
Okay, very
Okay,
good
very
morning,
good
children.
morning, children.
And thank you. How
Thank
are
you.
you?
How are you?
Okay,
Okay,
I am also
I'm
fine,
also
children.
fine, children.
Right. Already
Already
we have
we have
discussed
discussed
first unit
first unit
reading
reading
attitude
attitude
is
is
altitude.
altitude.
In that
In that
session,
session,
we
we
discussed
discussed
about a
about
great
a
personality
personality
who is
who is
Nick
Nick
Vujicic
Vujicic
became
became
a
a
motivational
motivational
speaker,
speaker,
even though
even though
he is a
he's a
disabled person
disabled
or
person,
differently abled
differently
person
able person,
or
or
physically
physically
challenged.
challenged.
How is it
How is
possible
it
to
possible
become
to become
a world
a world
famous
famous
motivational speaker?
motivational speaker?
Because of
Because of
his
his
qualities,
qualities,
positive
positive
qualities.
qualities.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
in this
in this
session 4,
session
we
4,
are going
we
to
are going to
discuss
discuss
some
some
adjectives.
adjectives.
What is
What is
adjective?
adjective?
Adjective
Adjective
means
means
a
a
person's
person's
or
or
place
place
or a
or a
thing's
thing's
quality,
quality,
quantity,
quantity,
and
and
number.
number.
If
If
the word
the word
reveals,
reveals,
it is
it
called
is called
adjective.
adjective.
The
The
qualities
qualities
are
are
also
also
two
two
types:
types:
positive
positive
qualities
qualities
and
and
negative
negative
qualities.
qualities.
If we
If
want
we
to
want to
become
become
or
or
if we want
if
to
we
reach
want to
our
reach
goal,
our goal,
we have
we
to
have to
manage or
manage or
maintain
maintain
or
or
have the
have the
positive
positive
qualities.
qualities.
So,
So,
some
some
after we
after
discuss
we
the
discuss the
lesson,
lesson,
we learned
we
that
learned that
there are so
there are
many
so many
positive
positive
qualities to
qualities to
our
our
Nick
Nick
Vujicic.
Vujicic.
So,
So,
among
among
these
these
qualities,
qualities,
you have
you
to
have to
trick
trick
which are
which are
suitable to the
suitable to the
Nick.
Nick.
Before that,
Before that,
I would like
I would
to
like to
give the
give
meanings
the
of
meanings of
these words.
these words.
Already we
Already we
discussed in
discussed
previous
in
lesson,
previous lesson,
but
but
I would like
I would
to
like to
give
give
those
those
meanings
meanings
once again.
once again.
Listen, children.
Listen, children.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Look at the
Look
list
at the
of
list of
adjectives in the
adjectives in a
box. Which
box.
of
Which
them
of them
describe Nick
describe
Vujicic?
Nick Vujicic
Tick against
against
them.
them?
So I would
So
like
I would
to
like to
give the
give
meanings
the
of
meanings of
these
these
qualities, children.
qualities, children.
Positive.
Positive.
What is the
What
meaning
is the
of
meaning of
positive?
positive?
Means
Means
positive means
positive means
thinking about
thinking
good,
about good,
confident,
confident,
and
and
hopeful.
hopeful.
Okay.
Okay.
Negative
Negative
means
means
not
not
hopeful,
hopeful,
thinking
thinking
about
about
only the
only
bad
the
side
bad
of
side of
things.
things.
So these are
So these
the
are the
antonyms.
antonyms.
Positive.
Positive.
What is
What
the
is the
opposite of
opposite of
positive?
positive?
Negative.
Negative.
Okay.
Okay.
Optimistic
Optimistic
means
means
expecting good
expecting
things
good
to
things to
happen.
happen.
Whatever we
Whatever we
wish to do,
wish to do,
want to do,
want to do,
we think
we think
about the
about the
good
good
qualities
qualities
of that
of that
work.
work.
Pessimistic
Pessimistic
means
means
expecting bad
expecting
things to
bad things
happen.
to happen.
Means
Means
whenever we
whenever
want
we
to
want to
do
do
something,
something,
we guess
we guess
bad will
bad will
happen.
happen.
That is
That
called
is
the
called the
pessimistic.
pessimistic.
Optimistic
Optimistic
means
means
ashavadi.
ashavadi.
Pessimistic means
Pessimistic means
nirashavadi.
nirashavadi.
Generous
Generous
means
means
giving or
giving
willing
or
to give
willing to give
freely
freely
and
and
ready to
ready to
extend help
extend help
or
or
service
service
to the
to the
people
people
or to the
or to the
required.
required.
Nervous
Nervous
means
means
anxious
anxious
or
or
afraid.
afraid.
అంటే
అంటే
కలత
కలత
చెందినటువంటి లేదా
చెందినటువంటి లేదా
భయంతో
భయంతో
కూడుకున్నటువంటి.
కూడుకున్నటువంటి.
When we are
When we are
nervous,
nervous,
we
we
can't
can't
achieve
achieve
anything.
anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Confident
Confident
means
feeling
sure
sure
about
about
one's
one's
own
own
ability.
ability.
We have
We
to
have
believe
to believe
our
our
ability.
ability.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we
Then we
can
can
achieve
achieve
anything.
anything.
Smart.
Smart.
So
So
the smart
the
meaning
smart meaning
is here
is here
intelligent.
intelligent.
In other
In
meaning,
other meaning,
neat,
neat,
clean,
clean,
or well
or
dressed.
well dressed.
Sociable.
Sociable.
Enjoying
Enjoying
spending
spending time
others
others
and loving
and loving
company.
company.
Cowardly,
Cowardly,
not brave
not brave
or timid.
or timid.
Courageous,
Courageous,
brave
brave
or
or
bold.
bold.
So whenever
So whenever
someone
someone
doesn't come
doesn't come
forward to do
forward to do
anything,
anything,
then
then the
courageous
courageous
people
people
come
come
forward
forward
to do it.
to do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Reliable
Reliable
means
means
dependable
dependable
or
or
trustworthy
trustworthy
means
means
believable.
believable.
Reliable means
Believable means
believable.
believable.
A
A
person,
person
if
if
says
says
anything,
anything,
we have
we
to
have to
obey it
obey it
or believe
or
it.
believe it.
Independent,
Independent,
confident,
confident,
and
and
free to do
free to do
things
things
without
without
needing others'
others'
help.
help.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you
Are you
independent or
independent or
dependent?
dependent?
You are
You are
dependent. Why?
dependent. Why?
Because
Because
you are
you
unable
are
to
unable
take
to
any
take any
decision.
decision.
You have to
You have
depend
to
on
depend
your
on your
parents.
parents.
So
So
next,
next,
dependent.
dependent.
Needing
Needing
others' help
others'
to
help to
survive
survive
or
or
succeed.
succeed.
Means
Means
opposite of
opposite of
independent
independent
is
is
dependent.
dependent.
Means
Means
everything
everything
you have
you
to
have to
depend.
depend
For
for
everything you
everything.
have to
You have
depend
to depend
on
on
others.
others.
That is
That
called
is called
dependent.
dependent.
Obedient.
Obedient.
Always doing
Always doing
what one
what
is
one is
told to
told
do.
to do.
Means
Means
whatever
whatever
the
the
task is
task
given
is
to
given
him,
to him,
he
he
does it.
does it.
Whatever
Whatever
he
he
receives the
receives the
orders
orders
or
or
instructions
instructions
or
or
suggestions.
suggestions.
Trusting.
Trusting.
Tending to
Tending to
believe
believe
other
other
people
people
are good
are good
or
or
honest,
honest,
etc.
etc.
Valiant
Valiant
means
means
very brave,
very brave,
determined,
determined,
and
and
courageous.
courageous.
Self-centered,
Self-centered,
thinking about
thinking about
one's
one's
own self,
own self,
or not
or
thinking
not
of
thinking of
others'
others'
needs
needs
or
or
feelings.
feelings.
They never
They
care
never
for
care
others.
for others.
Okay.
Okay.
The
The
people
people
who are
who are
self-centered,
self-centered,
they never
they
care
never
for
care for
others.
others.
Arrogant
Arrogant
means
means
proud.
proud.
Sarcastic,
Sarcastic,
saying one
saying
thing
one thing
in such
in
a way
such a way
that the
that the
opposite meaning
opposite
is
meaning is
conveyed.
conveyed.
Whatever the
Whatever
people
the
say,
people say,
its meaning
its
is
meaning is
opposite to
opposite to
whatever they
whatever they
delivered.
delivered.
And
And
quarrelsome,
quarrelsome,
liking to
liking to
argue with
argue with
others.
others.
Rude
Rude
means
means
not
not
respecting
respecting
others.
others.
What is the
What
meaning
is
of
the meaning
rude?
of rude?
Not
Not
respecting
respecting
others.
others.
Creative,
Creative,
using
using
skills
skill
to
to
produce
produce
something new,
something new,
odd
odd
ideas,
ideas,
etc.
etc.
Means
Means
సృజనాత్మకత
సృజనాత్మకత
కళ
కళ
లేదా
లేదా
సృజన
సృజన
శక్తి కళ.
శక్తి గల.
Stubborn,
Stubborn,
determined
determined
not to
not
change
to change
one's mind,
one's mind,
even though
even though
he is
he is
told.
told.
He never
He never
care for
care
others'
for
words.
others' words.
Whatever he
Whatever he
decides,
decides,
he does.
he does.
That type
That
of
type of
quality is
quality is
called
called
stubborn.
stubborn.
Lazy
Lazy
means
means
unwilling
unwilling
to work.
to work.
Unwilling to
Unwilling
work.
to work.
Pompous,
Pompous,
showing that
showing that
you are
you
more
are more
important than
important than
others.
others.
Level-headed,
Level-headed,
calm
calm
and
and
sensible,
sensible,
are
are
able to
able
make
to make
good
good
decisions
decision
even in
even in
difficult
difficult
situations.
situations.
అంటే
అంటే
ప్రశాంత
ప్రశాంత
చిత్తులుగా,
చిత్తులుగా,
అంటే కష్ట
అంటే కష్ట
సమయాలలో కూడా
సమయాలలో కూడా
స్థిరమైనటువంటి
స్థిరమైనటువంటి
మనస్తోటి
మనస్తోటి
మంచి
మంచి
నిర్ణయాలు
నిర్ణయాలు
తీసుకునేటువంటి
తీసుకునేటువంటి
శక్తి గలవాడు.
గలవాడు.
లెవెల్
Level headed.
ఓకే.
Okay.
So these
So
are
these
the
are the
meanings
meanings of
these
these
adjectives.
adjectives.
So let us
So
take
let us take
which are
which are
suitable to the
suitable to the
nick.
nick.
So
So
children, so once
so
again
once
you
again
read
you read
the
the
qualities:
qualities:
positive,
positive,
cowardly,
cowardly,
arrogant,
arrogant,
negative,
negative,
courageous,
courageous,
sarcastic,
sarcastic,
optimistic,
optimistic,
reliable,
reliable,
quarrelsome,
quarrelsome,
pessimistic,
pessimistic,
independent,
independent,
rude,
rude,
generous,
generous,
dependent,
dependent,
creative,
creative,
nervous,
nervous,
obedient,
obedient,
stubborn,
stubborn,
confident,
confident,
trusting,
trusting,
lazy,
lazy,
smart,
smart,
valiant,
valiant,
pompous,
pompous,
sociable,
sociable,
self-centered,
self-centered,
level-headed.
level-headed.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
So
So
which are
which are
suitable to
suitable to
Nick?
Nick?
Right, very
Right,
good.
very good.
So
So
positive
positive
quality is
quality
there.
is there.
So you
So
have to
you
take
have to
it.
take it.
Okay, then
Okay, then
negative is
negative
not
is not
belonging to him.
belonging to him.
Optimistic.
Optimistic.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
This is also
This is also
right answer.
right answer.
You may take
You
it.
may take it.
And
And
pessimistic.
pessimistic.
Okay.
Okay.
Generous.
Generous.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Confident.
Confident.
Okay, this
Okay, this
quality
quality
also
also
belong to
belong
Nick.
to Nick.
Okay, you may
Okay, you may
take it.
take it.
Smart.
Smart.
Okay, we may
Okay, we
agree
may
he's
agree
a
he's a
smart boy.
smart boy.
Right.
Right.
Children.
Children.
Sociable.
Sociable.
Right.
Right.
It is
It
also
is also
relating
relating
to
to
our Nick.
our Nick.
Cowardly.
Cowardly.
Dash.
Dash.
Courageous.
Courageous.
Okay, he's
Okay,
a
he's a
courageous
courageous
person.
person.
Reliable.
Reliable.
Independent.
Independent.
Okay, we can
Okay,
say
we can say
even though he
even
is
though he is
handicapped,
handicapped,
he is
he is
independent.
independent.
Okay,
Okay.
so you may
So
take
you
it.
may take it.
Dependent.
Dependent.
Obedient.
Obedient.
Right, we can
We
take
can
it.
take it.
Trusting.
Trusting.
Valiant.
Valiant.
Right, so
Right.
we may
We may
take
take
it also.
it also.
Self-centered.
Self-centered.
Arrogant.
Arrogant.
Sarcastic.
Sarcastic.
Quarrelsome.
Quarrelsome.
Rude.
Rude.
Creative.
Creative.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Okay.
Okay.
As per your
As per your
wish.
wish.
answer. The
Answer.
creative
The
also.
creative also.
Right answer.
Right answer.
Stubborn,
Stubborn,
lazy,
lazy,
pompous,
pompous,
level-headed.
level-headed.
Okay, we may
Okay, we may
attribute
attribute
this quality
this
to
quality to
our Nick
our
also.
Nick
Okay,
also.
children.
Okay, children.
Now let
Now
us.
let us
You have to
pick
pick the
the
answer.
answers.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
You have
You
to
have to
write down
write down
this
this
notes in your
notes in
note.
your note.
You may take
You may take
a
a
screenshot
screenshot
and
and
write this
write this
table
table
or words
or words
in your
in your
notes.
notes.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Let us
Let us
go to
go
another
to another
bit.
bit.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
there are some all these
all
words
these words
are called
are called
one word
one word
substitutes
substitutes
also.
also.
Means there is
Means
no
there is no
confusion
confusion
if you use
if you
these
use
words.
these words.
So
So
according to
according
these
to these
qualities,
qualities,
we have
we have to
take in
take in
evidence
evidence
of each
of
one
each one
from the
from the
first unit.
first unit.
A reading
A reading
attitude
attitude
is
is
multitude.
attitude.
So what
So
is the
what
next?
is the next?
Pick out
Pick
from
out
the
from the
text
text
examples that
examples that
support
support
these
these
attributes.
attributes.
Whatever the
Whatever
words
the
or
words or
qualities
qualities
belong to
belong to
Nick,
Nick,
we have to
we
give
have to give
some
some
examples.
examples.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
So
So
positive.
positive.
So what
So
is the
what is the
example from the
example from
text?
the text?
In spite
In
of
spite
his
of his
disability,
disability,
he has
he
become
has become
great.
great.
Despite of his
Despite of his
disability.
disability.
Okay.
Okay.
There are so
There are
many
so many
disabilities
disabilities
there.
there.
Even though he
Even though
became
he became
great.
great.
Optimistic.
Optimistic.
So what
So
did he
what
say?
did he say?
I
I
wanted to
wanted to
concentrate on
concentrate on
something good
something good
that
that
I
I
had.
had.
After he
After he
realized
realized
or
or
after he
after
read the
he read the
article,
article,
he said
he
these
said
lines.
these lines.
Confident.
Confident.
They will
They
never
will
take
never take
away the
away
beauty
the
of my
beauty of my
eyes.
eyes.
Even though I
Even though I
hadn't
hadn't
legs or
legs or
arms,
arms,
I have
I have
arms.
arms.
So the
So the
people who
people who
humiliate or
humiliate
insult
or
me,
insult me,
they never
they never
take my
take
eyes.
my eyes.
That is the
That is the
meaning of
meaning of
this
this
word
word
confident.
confident.
Sociable.
Sociable.
He has
He has
traveled to
traveled
over
to over
24
24
countries
countries
speaking to
speaking to
groups of
groups of
up to
up to
1,10,000 people.
1,10,000 people.
Even though he
Even
is
though he is
physically
physically
challenged,
challenged,
he
he
didn't stay
didn't
at home.
stay at home.
He
He
wants to
wants to
move
move
or go
or
to
go to
different
different
places,
places,
and he
and he
wandered
wandered
or he
or
went
he
to
went to
so many
so many
countries in the
countries in the
world.
world.
This is
This
called
is called
sociable.
sociable.
Courageous.
Courageous.
She taught
She taught
me
me
how to
how
serve,
to serve,
and I
and
was
I was
terrified at first.
terrified at first.
But
But
once
once
I got up
I
there,
got up there,
it felt
it felt
absolutely
absolutely
fantastic.
fantastic.
At first,
At first,
he was
he was
frightened,
frightened,
but
but
after he
after he
heard the
heard the
um,
um,
whatever
whatever
he was
he
taught
was taught
or she
or
taught,
she taught,
Bethany
Bethany
Hamilton taught
Hamilton
him.
taught him.
Independent.
Independent.
It was
It
very
was
hard,
very hard,
but it
but
gave
it
me
gave me
independence
independence
to
to
join
join
in
in
mainstream school
mainstream school
or to
or to
achieve a
achieve
degree.
a degree.
It is
It is
very hard,
very hard,
but
but
after he
after
achieved
he
it,
achieved it,
it is
it
called
is caused
to
to
be as a
be as a
independent person.
independent person.
Valiant.
Valiant.
In
In
1990,
1990,
Nick
Nick
Vujicic
Vujicic
won the
won the
Australian
Australian
Young
Young
Citizen
Citizen
of the New
of
Year
the New Year
award for
award
his
for his
bravery and
bravery and
perseverance.
perseverance.
Okay, creative.
Creative.
Even though he
Even
is
though he is
disabled,
disabled,
he
he
plays
plays
water
water
sports
sports
and other
and other
sports.
sports.
He also
He
plays
also plays
golf with a
golf
club
with a club
tucked
tucked
under his
under his
chin.
chin.
Stubborn
Stubborn
means
means
there is one
there is one
evidence is
evidence
there.
is there.
If I
If I
fail,
fail,
I try
I try
again and
again and
again and
again and
again.
again.
Okay,
Okay.
level-headed.
Level-headed.
The
The
challenges in our
challenges in our
lives are
lives
there
are
to
there to
strengthen
strengthen
our
our
convictions. Even
convictions.
though so
Even though
many
so many
adversities
adversities
or
or
difficulties or
difficulties or
challenges
challenges
or
or
setbacks are
setbacks
faced
are
by him,
faced by him,
he
he
was
was
in a
in a
courageous mode
courageous mood
or
or
without
without
any
any
fear
fear
or
or
anxious.
anxious.
Okay,
Okay.
so this
So
is uh, this shows
this shows
his
his
level-headed
level-headed
mind.
mind.
Okay,
Okay,
children.
children.
Okay,
Okay.
next
Next,
another bit is
another bit
there.
is there.
The
The
second bit.
second bit.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
So
So
whatever
whatever the
attributes
attributes
of
of
the unit,
the unit,
there are some
there are
words
some words
and
and
examples
examples
to the
to the
qualities or
qualities or
attributes.
attributes.
సో మనం
సో మనం
ఏదైతే
ఏదైతే
నిక్
నీకు
సంబంధించినవని
సంబంధించినవని
ఆపాదిస్తున్నామో
ఆపాదిస్తున్నామో
దానికి
దానికి
ఉదాహరణలతో సహా
ఉదాహరణలతో సహా
మనం ఇక్కడ
మనం ఇక్కడ
టేబుల్లో
టేబుల్లో
చూపెట్టడం
చూపెట్టడం
జరిగింది.
జరిగింది.
సో
సో
హౌ
you
టు
have to
టేక్ ఎ
take a
స్క్రీన్
screenshot
of these
of these
attributes
attributes
and
and
their
their
examples
examples
from our
from our
text.
text.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
So
So
right, let us
let us
move to
move to
another bit.
another bit.
The second
The
bit.
second bit.
Tick the
Pick the
word
word
expression
expression
which is
which
nearest
is nearest
in meaning
in
to the
meaning to
word
the word
underlined
underlined
in
in
each
each
sentence
sentence
given
given
below.
below.
Okay, there
Okay,
are
there are
six
six
questions are
questions
there.
are there.
Every question
Every question
has
has
four
four
options.
options.
So you have
So
to
you have
face
to face
this type
this
of
type of
questions
questions
in your
in
exam
your
also.
exam also.
It gives a
It gives a
paragraph
paragraph
and
and
asks
ask
to choose
to
the
choose the
right option. Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Now,
Now,
water
water
sports
sports
aren't
aren't
Nick's
Nick's
only
only
thing.
thing.
He also
He also
plays
plays
golf with a
golf with
club
a club
tucked
tucked
under his
under his
chin.
chin.
Okay,
Okay,
option A
option A
kept,
kept,
option B
option B
pulled,
pulled,
after C
after C
covered,
covered.
option D
Option D
tied.
right.
So which is
So
the
which is the
suitable answer?
suitable answer?
Pulled.
Pulled.
So here
So
tucked
here
means
tucked means
we may
we may
get the two
get the
meanings,
two
pulled
meanings,
and
pull
pushed.
and push.
In
In
previous book
previous book
there was
there
push,
was push,
but in
but in
recent book
recent book
the
the
option
option
is given
is given
pulled.
pulled.
So
So
here
here
the pulled
the
is
pulled
the
is the
suitable
suitable
answer. Means
answer. Means
he tucked
he
the
tucked the
club
club
under his
under
chin
his chin
and
and
it
it
it is
it is
taken
taken
away to the
away to the
goal.
goal.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Pulled.
Pulled.
His
His
distraught
distraught
mother
mother
couldn't bring
couldn't bring
herself
herself
to hold
to
him
hold him
until he
until
was
he
4
was
months
4 months
old.
old.
Okay.
Okay.
Option A
Option A
angry.
angry.
Option B
Option B
careless.
careless.
Option C
Option C
shy.
shy.
Option D
Option D
anxious.
anxious.
Which is the
Which is
suitable
the
answer?
suitable answer?
Okay,
Okay,
according to the
according to the
sentence,
sentence,
distraught means
distraught means
anxious
anxious
is the
is
right
the
answer.
right answer.
So you have
So
to
you have
write
to write
simply
simply
the
the
option
option
D
D
is
is
as
as
answer. You
answer.
need
You
not to
need not
write
to write
the word
the word
anxious.
anxious.
You have to
You have
simply
to
give the
simply give
question
the
number
question
2.
number 2.
Answer is
Answer is
D.
D.
Even though the
Even though
small
the
letters
small
are
letters
given
are given
as
as
options.
options.
So
So
small a,
small
small
a,
b,
small
small
b,
c,
small
small
c,
d.
small
But
d. But
you have to
you have
write
to write
the
the
answer as
answer as
capital
capital
D only.
D only.
You need
You
not to
need not to
overwrite.
overwrite.
If it is
If it is
wrong answer,
wrong answer,
for
for
example,
example,
you
you wrote
wrote at first
at
C
first C
option.
option.
After that, you
After that,
wanted
you
to
wanted
change
to
the
change the
C
C
as
as
D.
D.
You have to
You have to
simply
simply
strike it
strike
and
it and
beside it,
beside it
you have to
you
write
have to write
D only.
D only.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Right. Third,
Third,
despite the risk
despite the
of
risk of
bullying,
bullying,
his
his
parents
parents
insisted Nick
insisted Nick
attended attend
attend
mainstream.
mainstream.
So
So
here,
here,
what is the
what
meaning
is the
of
meaning of
bullying?
bullying?
Which word is
Which word is
underlined?
underlined?
Bullying.
Bullying.
So
So
what is the
what is the
suitable answer,
suitable answer,
children?
children?
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
The
The
option
option
is
is
the
the
suitable answer.
suitable answer.
What is the
What is the
word?
word?
Humiliation.
Humiliation.
Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Next,
Nick,
Nick,
who was
was
teased and
teased
bullied,
and bullied,
had an
had
electric
an electric
wheelchair
wheelchair
for
for
mobility
mobility
and a team
and a
of
team of
carers to
carers to
help him.
help him.
So,
So,
what are the
what are the
options?
options?
Socializing,
Socializing,
movement,
movement,
travel,
travel,
safety.
safety.
Mobility
Mobility
means
means
the
the
suitable, the
suitable, the
underlined word
underlined word
meaning is
meaning is
the
the
nearest
nearest
meaning.
meaning.
Movement is the
Movement is
right
the
answer.
right
So,
answer. So,
the
the
answer of the
answer of the
fourth question
fourth question
is B.
is B.
Fifth,
Fifth,
Nick
Nick
managed to
managed
pull
to
through to
to
become
become
an
an
international
international
symbol
symbol
of
of
triumph
triumph
over
over
adversities.
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 What are the
What are the
options?
options?
Disability,
Disability,
poverty,
poverty,
difficulties,
difficulties,
and
and
opposition.
opposition.
Which is the
Which is
right
the
answer?
right answer?
Difficulties.
Difficulties.
Okay.
Okay.
The answer
The
is the
answer is
right.
the right.
The
The
challenges in our
challenges in our
lives are
lives
there
are
to
there to
strengthen our
strengthen our
convictions.
convictions.
Option A,
Option A,
feelings.
feelings.
Option B,
Option B,
practices.
practices.
Option C,
Option C,
beliefs.
beliefs.
Option D,
Option D,
characters.
characters.
Convictions
Convictions means
beliefs
beliefs
or
or
faiths.
faiths.
Okay,
Okay,
children.
children.
So we
So
have
we
to
have to
learn the
learn
meaning,
the meaning,
not
not
options.
options.
Here
Here
A,
A,
option
option
feeling, B
feeling,
option
B option
practices, C
practices,
option
C option
beliefs,
beliefs,
D
D
option
option
characters.
characters.
But in
But
your
in your
exam, the
exam, the
options may
options
be
may be
changed.
changed.
For
For
example, the
example,
beliefs
the beliefs
option may be
may
given
be given
as D.
as D.
So you
So
have
you
to
have to
keep the
keep the
meaning of
meaning of
accurate
accurate
meaning of the
meaning of
word
the
in
word
your mind
in
only.
mind
Then
only. Then
can
you can
write
write
correct answer,
correct
whatever
answer,
the
whatever the
option
option
it may be,
it may
or
be, or
you may
you may give
matching
matching
also like
also
that.
like that.
Conviction means
Conviction means
belief.
beliefs.
So
So
suitable answer
suitable
is
answer is
C
C
is the right
is the
answer.
right answer.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
So
So
you have to
you have to
observe
observe the
chart
chart
or the
or the
questions
questions
In this
In
bit,
this bit,
the
the
answers
answers
are
are
tricked
tricked
or
or
given right
given
mark.
right mark.
Cold,
Cold,
anxious,
anxious,
humiliation,
humiliation,
movement,
movement,
difficulties,
difficulties,
beliefs.
beliefs.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
You may take
You may take
screenshot of
screenshot of
this one
this one
and
and
write down
write down
these notes
these
in your
notes in your
notes.
notes.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Right. Let us
Right.
move
Let us
to
move to
another
another
bit.
bit.
Right. Third bit.
Third bit.
Read the
Read the
following
following
descriptions
descriptions
about
about
persons and
and
fill in the
fill in the
blanks with
blanks with the
words
words
that match with
match
these
with these
descriptions.
descriptions.
Okay.
Okay.
Already
Already
words
words
are
are
given
given
above the
above the
task
task
and their
and their
descriptions
descriptions
are given
are given
below.
below.
So according to the description, how to
how to
write the
write the
suitable word.
suitable word.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Again,
Again,
I would like
I
to
would like to
give their
give their
meanings
meanings
once again.
once again.
Boorish
Boorish
means
means
an
an
uncultured
uncultured
person
person
in our
in our
native
native
language or
language
mother
or
tongue,
mother tongue,
Motaina.
Motaina.
Extrovert,
Extrovert,
one who
one
is
who is
outgoing,
outgoing,
sociable,
sociable,
and
and
concerned
concerned
with
with
outer
outer
affairs.
affairs.
Means
Means
బహిర్ముఖుడు
బహిర్ముఖుడు
అంటే
అంటే
తనలో
తనలో
ఉన్నటువంటి
ఉన్నటువంటి
ఏవైతే
ఏవైతే
ఆనందం కానీ
ఆనందం గాని
దుఃఖం కానీ
దుఃఖం
బాధ
గాని
కానీ
బాధ గాని
ఏదైనా కూడా
ఏదైనా కూడా
సమాజంతో లేదా
సమాజంతో లేదా
ఇతరులతోటి
ఇతరులతోటి
పంచుకున్నటువంటి
పంచుకున్నటువంటి
తత్వం
తత్వం
గలవాన్ని
గలవాన్ని
బహిర్ముఖుడు అంటాం.
బహిర్ముఖుడు అంటాం.
మెటిక్యులస్
మెటిక్యులస్
మీన్స్
మీన్స్
కేర్ఫుల్
కేర్ఫుల్
అంటే
అంటే
శ్రద్ధగా
శ్రద్ధగా
పరిశీలించేటువంటి
పరిశీలించేటువంటి
గుణం
గుణం
ఉన్నటువంటి
ఉన్నటువంటి
వాన్ని
వాన్ని
మెటిక్యులస్ అంటాం.
మెటిక్యులస్ అంటాం.
స్వావ్
స్వావ్
మీన్స్
మీన్స్
స్వీట్ టాక్
స్వీట్ టాక్
మధుర భాష
మధుర
లేదా
భాష లేదా
శాంతమైనటువంటి
శాంతమైనటువంటి
అంటే
అంటే
చాలా
చాలా
మధురంగా
మధురంగా
అంటే
అంటే
తీయగా
తీయగా
మాట్లాడేటువంటి
మాట్లాడేటువంటి
మనస్తత్వం
మనస్తత్వం
కలవాడు.
కలవాడు.
ప్లేసిడ్ మీన్స్
ప్లేసిడ్ మీన్స్
శాంతమైన,
శాంతమైన,
కామ్ అండ్
కామ్
క్వైట్
అండ్ క్వైట్
ఆర్
ఆర్
పీస్ఫుల్.
పీస్ఫుల్.
అబ్నాక్షియస్
అబ్నాక్షియస్
ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ
ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ
అన్ప్లెజెంట్
అన్ప్లెజెంట్
ఆర్
ఆర్
అఫెన్సివ్
అఫెన్సివ్
అంటే
అంటే
చెడ్డవాడు అనే
చెడ్డవాడు అనే
మీనింగ్లో
మీనింగ్ లో
వాడతాం.
వాడతాం.
కాంపాషనేట్
కాంపాషనేట్
means
means
mercy
mercy
or
or
kindness.
kindness.
Having
Having
feelings
feelings
or showing
or showing
compassion,
compassion.
దయాలువైన
దయాలువైన
లేదా
లేదా
జాలిపడేటువంటి
జాలిపడేటువంటి
హృదయం
హృదయం
కలవాడు.
కలవాడు.
టిమిడ్
టిమిడ్
ఇరికి అయిన
పిరికి అయిన
లేదా
లేదా
భయస్థుడైన.
భయస్థుడైన.
లాకింగ్ ఇన్
లాకింగ్ ఇన్
కరేజ్
కరేజ్
ఆర్
ఆర్
కాన్ఫిడెన్స్
కాన్ఫిడెన్స్
ఆర్
ఆర్
ఫియర్ఫుల్
ఫియర్ఫుల్
అంటే
అంటే
భయకంపితుడైనటువంటి ధైర్యం
భయకంపితుడైనటువంటి ధైర్యం
లేనటువంటి
లేనటువంటి
వాడిని
వాన్ని
పిరికివాడు అంటారు,
పిరికివాడు అంటాం.
భయస్థుడు.
భయస్థుడు.
ఇంట్రోవర్ట్
Introvert,
a
a
reserved
reserved
person,
person,
one who
one who
often
often
prefers to
prefers
have
to have
time in
time in
non-social
non-social.
అంటే
అంటే
అంతర్ముఖుడు తనకు
అంతర్ముఖుడు తనకు
వచ్చినటువంటి
వచ్చినటువంటి
ఆనందం కానీ
ఆనందం గాని
సంతోషం కానీ
సంతోషం గాని
ఇతరులతోటి
ఇతరులతోటి
పంచుకున్నటువంటి
పంచుకున్నటువంటి
వ్యక్తిత్వం
వ్యక్తిత్వం
కలవాన్ని
కలవాన్ని
ఏమంటాం?
ఏమంటాం?
ఇంట్రోవర్ట్.
ఇంట్రోవర్ట్
సో
అంటాం.
దిస్
సో
ఇస్ ద
దిస్ ఇస్ ద
ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్
ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్
ఎక్స్ట్రోవర్ట్.
ఎక్స్ట్రోవర్ట్.
మెలిసియస్
మెలిసియస్
మీన్స్
మీన్స్
ద్వేషం గల
ద్వేషం
లేదా
గల లేదా
పగబట్టినటువంటి.
పగబట్టినటువంటి.
ఈవెల్
Evil
ఆర్
or
స్పైట్ఫుల్
spiteful
అండ్
and
deliberately
deliberately
harmful.
harmful.
There are so
There are
many
so many
malicious
malicious
persons
persons
among us.
among us.
So we
So
have
we have
to be
to be
very
very
distant
distant
to them.
to them.
Okay,
Okay,
children.
children.
So now
So now
let us
let us
fill the
fill the
answers.
answers.
The first
The first
one is
one is
Ashok is
Ashok is
very
Ashok
a
is
very
a very
unpleasant
unpleasant
and
and
rude fellow.
rude fellow.
I don't
I
talk to
don't
him.
talk to him
He is
as
dash.
Dash.
Okay,
Okay,
Burish
Boorish.
is the right
Is the
answer,
right
children.
answer, children.
Srini is
Srini
very
is very
confident,
confident,
elegant,
elegant,
and
and
polite.
polite.
But
But
sometimes
sometimes
he doesn't
he doesn't
appear to be
appear to be
sincere.
sincere.
Srini is
She
very
is very
confident,
confident,
elegant, and
elegant,
polite.
and polite.
But
But
sometimes
sometimes
doesn't
doesn't
appear to be
appear to be
sincere.
sincere.
He is
He is
dash.
dash.
So,
So,
okay.
okay.
Third,
Third,
Sujata
Sujata
is
is
quiet
quiet
and calm.
and calm.
She
She
doesn't like
doesn't
to
like to
spend time
spend
with
time
others.
with others.
She is
She is
interested in her
interested in her
thoughts and
thoughts and
feelings.
feelings.
So she
So
is an
she is an
introvert.
introvert.
She never
shares.
she never
She never
reveals
reveals
her
her
feelings to
feelings
others.
to others.
So
So,
which is the
which is
suitable
the
word?
suitable word?
Introvert is
Introvert is the
the Ramesh
Ramesh
is
is
very
very
sensitive.
sensitive.
He
He
always
always
shows
shows
sympathy for
sympathy for
people
people
who are
who are
suffering.
suffering.
He is
He is
dash
dash
compassionate.
passionate.
Okay.
Okay.
He is dash
Is dash
compassionate, children.
passionate, children.
My
My
neighbor.
neighbor.
Fifth one.
Fifth one.
My neighbor
My neighbor is
such a
such a
person
person
that
that he
he has
has
feeling of
feeling of
hatred for
hatred
others.
for others.
He
He
desires
desires
or
or
wishes,
wishes,
wants to
wants to
hurt others'
hurt others'
feelings.
feelings.
He is
He is
dash
dash
malicious.
malicious.
ఏమని
ఏమని
చెప్పుకున్నాం?
చెప్పుకున్నాం?
ద్వేషం గల
ద్వేషం
అని
గల అని
చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఓకే.
Okay.
Next,
Next,
sixth one.
sixth one.
My
My
father
father
pays
pays
careful attention to
attention to
every detail.
every detail.
Detail means
Detail
small
means small
event.
event.
Every
Every
small
small
event
event
he
he
takes care.
takes care.
He makes
He makes
through planning for everything
everything
in our
in our
home.
home.
He is
He is
dash
dash
meticulous.
meticulous.
Okay, what
Okay.
is the
What is the
suitable word?
suitable word?
Meticulous.
Meticulous.
Next,
Next,
Prem
Prem
is
is
an
an
extremely
extremely
unpleasant
unpleasant
person.
person.
He
He
always
always
tries to
tries to
offend people.
offend people.
What does he
What
do?
does he do?
He
He
always
always
tries to
tries to
offend.
offend.
He is
He is
dash,
dash,
obnoxious.
obnoxious.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
My mother
My
is
mother
very
is very
calm and
calm
peaceful.
and peaceful.
She
She
doesn't
doesn't
get
get
excited
excited
or
or
irritated
irritated.
easily. She is
She is
placid.
placid.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Placid
Placid
means,
means,
what is the
what
word?
is the
Placid
word?
means
Placid
calm
means
and
calm
quiet
and
or
quiet or
peaceful.
peaceful.
Ninth one,
Ninth one,
Rahul is
Rahul
very
is very
lively
lively
and
and
confident
confident
person. He
person.
enjoys
Enjoys
being with
being
his
with his
friends.
friends.
For
For
example, with
example,
you,
with you,
he is
he
an
is an
dash,
dash
extrovert.
extrovert.
Okay.
Okay.
See that
See
he is
that he is
always
always
afraid of
afraid of
speaking in the
speaking in
class.
the class.
What does
What
he
does
do?
he do?
He is
He is
always afraid,
always
not
afraid, not
sometimes.
sometimes.
Sridhar is
Sridhar is
always afraid
always
of
afraid of
speaking
speaking
in the class.
in the
He
class.
is
He is
dash
dash
timid.
timid.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
So
So
whatever the
whatever the
meanings
meanings
are given
are given
and
and
answers
answers
also
also
revealed. So
revealed.
you have
So
to
you have
observe
to
the
observe the
chart
chart
or
on
format.
PowerPoint.
So
So
answers are
answers are
given.
given.
So you
So
have
you
to
have to
take a
take a
screen
screen
shot.
shot.
What do you
What
say?
do you say?
Screenshot
Screenshot
of this
of this
one
one
and
and
write down
write down
these notes
these
in
notes
your
in your
notes.
notes.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Let me
Let me
conclude or
conclude or
close the
close the
topic.
topic.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Let us
Let us
discuss
discuss
another topic
another
in the
topic in the
next class.
next class.
You have
You
to
have
read
to read
once again
once
at home,
again home,
and
and
if you
if
have
you
any
have
doubts,
any doubts,
you have to
you have to
clarify in
clarify in
next session.
next session.
Okay, children.
Okay,
Thank
children.
you.
Thank you.